this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal on your computer. Whether you want to make payments, send money, or manage your account, this will guide you or walk you through everything you need to know. So let's get started. So, how to use PayPal? So, the step one is create or log into your PayPal account. So, open your browser and go to paypal.com. If you already have a PayPal account, click on login at the top right corner and then enter your email address and password and just click login. So before you can use PayPal to make purchases or send money, you need to link a payment method such as a bank account or credit or debit card. So to do that, after logging in, before you can use PayPal to make purchases or send money, you need to link a payment method first, such as bank account or credit or debit card. So the first thing you need to do is from the home page, you can see here on the right side under send and request, add card or bank. So let's click on that. So just follow the prompts to enter the details for your payment method. So for a bank account, you may be asked to confirm two small deposits made by PayPal into your bank account. And for the credit or debit card, just enter the card details and billing address. So let's check on that. As you can see, they just need your card number, expiration, and CVV code, and just click this link card. And for a bank account, so this one, they will just need your bank name, bank code, and account number, and then click this link your bank. So after that, go back to your home page, click on just click this one, for example, this one, the send. Click on send, and then enter the email address or mobile number of the recipient. So if you want to send money to someone, just put here their names, username, email, or their mobile number so that they can or so that you can send them a money. So for example, I will put here my friend, the email of my friend. So choose whether you're sending money to friends or family or paying for goods and services. So but before that, here, you need to put how much or the money you'll send to your friends. Just put here the money. And then after that, just click next. And then after that, you will ask for choose a payment type for goods and services or for friends and family. So after you um, choose the payment type, just click this continue button and then review the payment details and just click this next button and then this one click the send. So also if you want to request a money to someone, just click this request. So after you hit the request button, just click here, click this request payment form. You can put their name, username, and email or mobile number, just like earlier on how to send money to someone. So just put their name and then click this next button. And after that, just put here how much you the money and then click request the payment. So after you requested the payment, the people will notify that specific person that request a money. You can also create an invoice, just like here, just put the information and just click the send button. You can also check the wallet. You can also check the activity. So here in wallet, you can see here the currency. You can either make primary of your currency, like for example for this CAD, for the PHP or the USD, you can just make them primary if you want. And for the activity, you can see here the transactions that you've made and have made. So just check on that. And if you need help, just click the help. Or if you have any questions, just go to Resolution Center. Or if you need help about something, just go to Resolution Center. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.